you curious about this French toast from 1749? Both the bread and this recipe are from that date. So join me in my kitchen as I recreate this vintage classic. All right, we're gonna get started on a 1749 made dish, which is basically French toast, but in a different way. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. We're using the 1749 buttered loaf, the leftovers of it, which there is a lot. So I'm gonna make kind of thick slices out of this. I'm not gonna slice the whole thing, but let's put a few of these in here. And the great thing is it calls for day-old bread, and this is a couple days old. I have had some toast from this, and it's fabulous. But it's nice because these slices are nice and dried out already. So this is the very first step of this French toast. And you'll see in a moment why this is different. So let's do 4 slices to try out. So I'm gonna get this over here. So normally we would be doing this overnight, but I think for trying this out, it's okay if we only let it go for 3 or 4 hours. So it calls for actually pouring wine over the bread overnight. We are gonna do this for 3 or 4 hours, like I said. Excuse me. And then continue with the recipe. So I have this white wine here. I don't really drink wine, I only cook with it, so I do not know if this is good or not. But I'm thinking that a white wine would be nice in this case. So I'm not sure how much to soak this. We don't want to waterlog it, but then we do want it to soak in. It does smell really good. So anyways, we're gonna let this sit for at least 3 hours or so, and then we're gonna keep on proceeding with the recipe. So I will see you then. Okay, we are back with our French toast that is soaked in white wine for a little over 6 hours now. A little longer than I thought it was going to be, but that's practically overnight, so that's good. Over here, we're gonna get our other ingredients ready. We have some heavy cream and sugar and a couple of egg yolks. It doesn't specify how much cream or egg yolks, but I'm gonna guess on all these amounts here. I think that about half a cup of cream will do. It just said cream. So I'm assuming this would work. And then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of sugar and then the 2 egg yolks. This should make a really nice, rich mixture for our French toast here. I'm really, really excited. We're basically gonna have this as a dessert tonight. So we will see, stay tuned for the family tasting to see what people think. And what I'm gonna do is just pour this over and make sure all of our French toast gets really coated in this. And then we will kind of turn it around in a moment once we get things ready here. So in a moment, in the next section, we're gonna get the electric skillet ready. Now that would not have been in 1749, but we're gonna use that with a little butter to fry this up. And then at the end, we're gonna be putting some fresh nutmeg grated and a little extra sugar on top, as it calls for in the book. So I will see you in a moment. All right, welcome back. We're gonna get ready to fry this delicious French toast. And it's been soaking for 15 minutes in the cream and egg yolk and sugar mixture. And I have butter here in the electric skillet. So let's get this going. I'm very excited about this. I think this will make a lovely dessert or breakfast for sure. And the recipe says to pour cream, a little bit of cream while you're frying. So I'm gonna kind of douse on a little bit while we're frying this here. Let me know in the comments down below if you like French toast. What is your favorite kind of breakfast treat? Do you like pancakes, waffles, or French toast? Those are kind of the main three. Of course, there's crepes and things like that. But which is your favorite? I know my dad's favorite is French toast by far. I have a hard time deciding. I really love French toast as well. I might have to say waffles, especially if they're sourdough waffles that I make at home. I love those. And those fancy Liège Belgian waffles are so yummy too. So many delicious choices. I just love breakfast. Let me know if you are the same down in the comments below. I'm just gonna tip this a little bit to see how it's frying on the other side. Ooh, perfect. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn these over as best I can here. They're looking nice and golden. I'm having a hard time flipping these big pieces. There we are. Okay, here we go. These are looking fabulous. And you know, it's great that we're having it for dessert because it kind of looks like a piece of cake to me. This is lovely. And I think it's gonna be a yummy flavor. I'm curious what it's gonna be like with the sugar and nutmeg on top. What do you usually put on your French toast? Of course, we love maple syrup here. When berries are in season, berries are yummy. Whipped cream. My grandma used to make homemade blackberry syrup. I want to see if I can make some of that this year. That sounds really good. These are looking fabulous, don't you think? I'm going to give you a little closer view. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And frying them in butter is such a treat. Yum, yum, yum. I wonder how long it took to fry these the old-fashioned way on some kind of skillet over the fire or something like that, I imagine. Now I think I'm gonna also fry this kind of middle part here just to make sure that's not raw. There we are. Oops, if it wants to stand up. There we are. Lovely, lovely. That's looking so good. Maybe they'll stand together. I think I need a little more on. This one is jumping around. It's like, nope, 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 I don't want to. Maybe a little bit more on this side as well. We'll turn those back over for just a moment. Yes, that is looking really good. Let me know if you like any other syrup flavors or if you go to any, I know there's some breakfast restaurants that have a lot of different syrup flavors. Those are often fun to experiment with. And oh my gosh, if you've ever had stuffed French toast, that is amazing as well. Let me know if you have in the comments down below. Yes. Okay, that's looking absolutely perfect. We're gonna turn this off and I'm gonna plate it in a moment and show you what it looks like with the sugar and nutmeg. All right, we are here to try the 1749 French toast.
And what makes this unusual?
Well, it is soaked in wine for a few hours, white wine.
It's so soft and squishy.
Yes, it's using the bread that I made from the same era,
And then,
so.
Is there egg in it?
Oh yeah, there's egg yolk and sugar and cream.
Oh my God.
And then it has sugar and nutmeg on top. Whoa.
Are you sure this is not a cocktail?
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of wine in there for sure.
Whoa.
Aw, I was hoping it would taste good.
Sorry about that. Perhaps the upper layer is not so. It's pretty strong.
Whoa, that wine taste is strong.
Whew. I want to try this upper echelon and see if maybe. Oh boy.
I don't think I can eat this.
Woo. That is powerful. If you love
I'm
the
guessing
wine taste, you might like this.
I'm guessing not Adam approved. It's funny because I like the white wine. I like white wine taste.
Yes.
I'm not sure I mind it. I mean, you can tell
Yeah.
I'm eating a lot of it.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's pretty strong, but.
It's really strong.
It
Yeah.
looks so tasty.
Sorry about that, sweetie. The good thing is, I froze the rest of the bread so I can just make regular French toast with it.
Sweet.
Woohoo.
Wow.
I know.
I've never had French toast with such strong wine flavor.
Yes. It's powerful.
I honestly think if it maybe had more sugar on top,
Yes.
it'd be actually kind of nice.
Yeah. Probably
So you
just
don't
dump
think
a
it's
bunch
nice?
on there.
Actually, I want to go get some syrup. Do we have syrup?
Oh yeah.
You want to try it with a little syrup? It might help.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
There's still,
Yeah, it really soaked in, I think.
there's still a chance it might get approved. Let's try this.
Okay. Maybe if we douse it enough.
Yeah. Soak it in syrup for twice the time so it counteracts.
There you go.
Here we go. See if the sweetness
The
of the
modern
syrup.
remedy. Let's see what happens.
Yeah,
All
just
right,
sort of
looking
on
good.
some. Put some over here for dipping. You want some?
Yeah, I'll have a little bit.
Okay. All right, French toast. Time for round 2.
Does the syrup help?
Let's see. Remedied?
That's delightful.
It really counteracts it. I mean, you still taste the wine, but
I'm really struggling whether or not I should approve this or not.
it's okay. You don't have to.
I think probably not. But with
Yeah.
the syrup, it's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It's really interesting.
It
I
is
mean,
really different, isn't it?
I've never heard of French toast that has like Chardonnay flavor.
Yes.
It was very unexpected.
I think it was the Willamette Valley. Well, and also this white wine was dry, so that probably doesn't help. It's just all I had.
Most white wines are.
That is true, I suppose. Maybe if you put a dessert wine, but even still, it might be a
Well,
bit strong. But
Fascinating.
fun to try. So let me know in the comments if you guys try this and see what you think.
It's an interesting recipe.
For sure. Thank you. Welcome to the book chat section for this 1749 French toast. And so this recipe is a short and simple one, but it's simply called a made dish. And down below here, the author explains that a made dish was any dish, apparently, that amused the cook or showed off her skill. So, and also she says they frequently involve eggs in some way. And they were usually not like a main dish or a major dish. So I find that really fascinating. And I love it when they say at the very last part, they say, "And so serve it up." That just sounds very inviting and also very home-like or homey. I love it. It's so sweet. So after this, next week I will be doing 3 more, or at least 2 more recipes out of this book. I am looking forward to sharing those with you. They will involve definitely some mint right here next to me and some other surprise ingredients. So stay tuned for those. And a viewer told me that they found this book at a local library sale. So I know my mom got this book for only $1 at I think one of those library shops as well. So this is a huge treasure, and stay tuned for it. So in the next section, we're gonna have a little bonus section with a tiny tour of what I call here my tea corner here out in the garden. Whenever it's nice weather, I prefer coming out here. So stay tuned for that if you'd like to stick around. Thanks. So I wanted to do a tiny tour of my tea corner here. These are lovely chairs that a friend gave us, and they used to be green, but I got some really nice spray paint and I painted them. I think, well, it was last year or the year before that. I've lost track. But they're so comfy, and I also bought the blue cushions for them. And next to them, well, I have my lovely mint here. I also have these beautiful flowers. I just love how they accompany me out here. I love to sit here and just watch the birds and see the flowers and enjoy a little peace and quiet. And sometimes I bring out tea or snacks or iced tea, definitely this time of year. So let me know if you have such a comfy corner in your garden or in your home. I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much. Bye.